Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add your own custom fonts to your Wix website. It's nothing really difficult, so let me show you how you're gonna actually do that. So when you're gonna be in Wix, first let's add our text. So I'm going to add a section here. And I can add just the element here, and let's say I'm going to add a text right here. So like that. Now when I have the text here, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click here, edit the text. And when you're going to find here, you're going to find the fonts right here. And when you're going to like scroll down below, you're going to find like this button here, upload fonts. So that's something that you want to click on. Now I'm going to upload the font. And let's say that I had a font right here. This one, Satoshi. Okay. And look at it, it's uploading right now. So let's just wait until it's going to get uploaded. And that's how we're going to add a font. Like, it's nothing difficult, pretty easy. If you're building also e-commerce website, I'm writing a newsletter every single week regards on how you can make your site better. And now you see you can download again the font, done, and Satoshi Black. See? And this is how you can change the font and how you can add your custom font to your Wix website. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. So when we go again, the same thing, add a text. And then you're going to click font, upload font, and you're going to upload the font right here. So that's how it's done. Have a great day guys, and goodbye.